The only thing that I don't like is the water will come here inside the house, and my feet will be mm, soaked in the water, which is muddy and full of bacteria from outside, from everywhere. It's a city, so lots of dirt love to be mixed by the flood going here. And the flood is half of my leg, imagine. So that's why when it comes to storms, I'm not scared of that in our place. But here, I don't like because there is that